Want to know how to delete an account in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website or just simply open up your agoda.com application. So once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. You simply select it. So once you have selected your profile, here right below points max, you should be seeing something known as your profile. Just simply select it. And now your user details should load up. So just simply scroll down a little bit and all the way to the bottom you should be seeing something known as delete my account. So just simply select delete my account right here. Here you should be seeing the terms and conditions. Scroll down and then select delete my account. Now just simply type in your password or do it with OTP and then your account should be deleted. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.